In this video, we will be installing AWID's side view mirror tag for use with the LR3000 and the LR2000 readers. The side view mirror tag is designed to be versatile, having the ability to be read on its long edge, which should be in clear line of sight of the reader. The side mirror tag has an intended mount location on the underside of the side mirror. This tag may only be mounted once, and removing it after the adhesive cures may disable it. Now let's begin the installation. Position the tag on a relatively flat section of the side mirror. The tag may be facing down, with its long edge directed towards the sensor, or facing outwards. In this video, we will be positioning the tag facing downwards to hide it from most viewing angles. Do not install the tag too far underneath the mirror, as this will limit the signal. When you have determined the best location for your tag, gently peel the backing, line up the adhesive, and press firmly on the tag. The adhesive will cure in 24 hours, but the tag is ready to be read right away. From the majority of viewing angles, it is very difficult to spot the side mirror tag. For technical support, you can contact AWID at our phone number or visit us at awid.com.